In this lecture, we are going to talk about precedence and associativity of operators. See, when there are multiple operators in an expression, C language has a predefined rule of priority for the operators. This rule of priority of operators is called operator precedence. Precedence of arithmetic operators, that is multiplication, modulus, division, plus and minus, is always higher than relational operators, and precedence of relational operators is higher than logical operators. We will be learning a lot about precedence in our sample programs, but before that I want to tell you about associativity of operators. Associativity is the order in which operators are evaluated when two or more operators of same precedence appear. Associativity is left to right in case of some operators and right to left in the rest of operators. Now we are going to understand the concept of precedence and associativity with the help of examples. In this example, I have taken three variables, namely A, B and C. Variable A has been initialized with the value 10 and variable B has been initialized with the value 5. I am going to write down C is equal to A minus 2 plus 5 into B. So this constitutes your expression. A minus 2 plus 5 into B, this is an expression. Now we are going to see the order of execution of these operators. Multiplication has got the higher precedence than plus and minus operators. So 5 into B will be evaluated first. So what is the current value of 5? Current value of B, it is 5. So 5 into 5 will give you 25. Now we come to minus and plus. See, minus and plus operators, they have got the same precedence level. Now here comes the role of associativity. In case of minus and plus, the associativity is from left to right. That means whichever operator will appear first from the left side will be evaluated first. So we will be evaluating A minus 2 sub-expression. Now the value of A happens to be 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8. Now the other side has yielded 25. So 8 plus 25 is going to be 33. So when I will get the value of C printed on the screen, it's going to be 33. So the output is C is equal to 33. Now in the second example, I have again taken three variables, namely A, B and C. Value of A is 10, that of B is 5. Now I am going to write down an expression A minus 2 plus 5 into B, but see carefully, I have enclosed 2 plus 5 into parentheses, and as you people know that parentheses, that is round brackets, they have got the highest precedence. So in this case, multiplication operator will not be evaluated first because 2 plus 5 sub expression is enclosed within brackets. So 2 plus 5 will be evaluated first, that will give you 7. Now multiplication operator has got the higher precedence than minus. So multiplication into B will be evaluated first. So 7 into 5 because value of B is 5. So that will give you 35. Now minus operator will be evaluated. The current value of A is 10. So 10 minus 35 is going to yield minus 25. Hence the output would be C is equal to minus 25. I highly recommend that you people write these programs in an IDE like dev C++ and see the results yourself.